What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Rednote. So once you're inside the Rednote app, simply tap on me at the bottom right and you will see at the top there that it has pictures. Right now, if you tap on that picture there right beside your name, you will see that you can easily now have options to change the picture. So as you can see here, it says upload a new avatar. You can tap on that and you will have pictures in your phone that you can select from. So let's say I take this picture here and I tap on confirm. You will see that it now takes me to this section where I can basically adjust what I want to set as a profile picture, and then simply tap on next. And what this is going to do, it's going to change the picture for me. No, it doesn't happen immediately, so you might be wondering, oh, did I change the picture? Is it working? It does. And what I'm going to do is just allow it some time, and then you will see in a moment that the picture actually changes. So I'm going to keep refreshing that section here. I might switch to a different tab. Let's say I might go to home, and then I might go back to my profile, and you will see that it says share new avatar, blah blah blah. But I don't want to do that. I just want to wait for that picture to actually change. But continue to use it, guys. Continue to use the app. You can even minimize and do something else and come back. You will see that the picture will actually change. And there you have it, guys. You can see that the profile picture actually changes. So as I said, it doesn't happen immediately like some other apps. You just need to go ahead and change the picture, trust that it will work, continue to do your stuff, and give it a couple of minutes or 2 minutes, and you will see that the picture actually changes. And that's it.